So you said 10 Jamaican dollars?
10 Jamaican dollars per litre.
You mentioned just now that there was a $10 increase on the WTI price for fuel. 10 Jamaican dollars. But the price of fuel over the last 6 weeks has gone up by about $30 Jamaican dollars. So I can't see how a $10 price increase in WTI translates into 6 weeks of price increases. There's growing concern on the part of the consumers about the price of fuel. We were quite keen on the oil and gas exploration project, having witnessed the signing of that first major exploration license, to get an update from the minister on that and to see where we are with the possibilities of other licensees. Since the establishment of Petrojam, Jamaica has never run out of fuel. Through difficult times, through good times, we have had that facility there, and if there is a contemplation now of divesting, first of all, are you going to be divesting the operations, that is the processing facility where we process crude oil into various finished products, or you're going to cease that operations and to establish it as only a receiving terminal? Why does it appear as if we are emerging as a monopoly provider of LNG facility in Jamaica, when the intention was for us to have robust competition driven by regulations that should have been tabled in this House and approved many years ago? And what we see happening in that sector is one player, and it sends confusing signal, especially when the price of fuel, your traditional fuel, going down, but we are not seeing corresponding price of electricity going down. And the anticipation was that if there is true competition in the LNG marketplace, then you would be able to benefit from that. In relation to the government's program for energy conservation and efficiency, there was a robust program left in the ministry, and I would love to get an update on that, how government is going to cut the cost of its own use of energy in the various ministries and agencies.